Okay, so I just got these loose. Come on. No. Ooh. Head looks pretty bad. Oh man. So I just want to clean that. Oh my heavens. I had to use vice grips because the studs or the screws weren't working out, and this one actually busted off. It just wrenched it off. So yeah, I'm gonna douse those heads with penetrating oil a lot. Not sure what the valves look like. I have to look at that too. Well, valves look kind of okay. Wow. Look at these push rod tubes. I have to empty the oil out first, I think. It's very black. Here's my filter screen. The thing is, the wind is causing it to spray this way. As you can tell, it's all over the floor. It's just disgusting. It's a disgusting mess. Well, I learned a valuable lesson. That is never to empty out oil out of an engine unless you're in an enclosed area like a garage or maybe even a carport maybe, because it's quite breezy, and I think I got as much oil on the concrete as I did in the oil receptacle thing here. I need to go to Home Depot and pick up some mineral spirits and probably get some more of this stuff. I need to clean off these parts, and so I can reattach and reattach the oil drain plate so I can just get to work on the rest of the engine. So I just want to make sure I drain the oil, but this has been a huge mess. I made a mess yesterday. I made a mess today. So, well, I'm learning my lesson. Try cleaning as much of this stuff as possible. So I put some mineral spirits into a bucket, and I'm going to be brushing it off, but first I got to get some of the major grime off. So just to take your paintbrush, kind of try cleaning them up as possible, which is fine. Now I'm still going to use this one until I actually put oil in it for good. It's not perfect, but it's better than it was. A lot better. It's been dinged up like crazy. I still don't know exactly what size that is. It's been stripped. I need to get a new one, whatever that happens to be. Here are the spark plugs that were in them. Doesn't look like they're actually in pretty good shape still, but okay, my head is now off. Off with your head. So there it sits. So I can clean them up really good and work on that. So this is cylinder number 1. There's been some, actually the inside it looks pretty decently, but I don't know if I ever want to try using this one again. It's got, I would do a lot of cleaning up. I think this might actually be usable again. We'll see when I get it through the parts cleaner. Here's 2. Yeah, here's number 3. Number 3 got a lot of water damage, or at least the water corrosion. I saw lots of water. You can see this is full of rust here. But and that was between the head and the cylinder here. But inside it looks still pretty good. And when I turned it, it was very smooth. So I'm not sure if I'm able to use this again, but I don't know. None of these look like they're great, but man, if I could use these again, that would be great. I'll have to measure using some calipers this, determine, you know, what is good and what's not. So here's number 4. It's pretty dusty, but it It too also looks pretty decent in there. I don't know enough about this, but and this is pretty filthy. I mean, it needs to go through the parts cleaner. It's possible that it's okay. Like I said, I need to get some calipers and measure these. I need to measure my pistons, make sure there's nothing wrong with those. I'm gonna take those out here in a second. So. I got this like, I don't know, a year and a half ago, thinking maybe I could use it. And I think that this is going to be what we need for it. So. This is number 1 cylinder, or number 1 piston. And here is number 1. I'm gonna have to do some cleaning on this. It's pretty bad. See the differences? It's weird, huh? Cool. Here's number 4. I mean, this may be able to be reused. I don't know. A little bit. I don't see any separation at all. Oh. Well, okay, I didn't see that. Forgot about the main oil seal, which I good. But there's how that works. I've got water settling in here. I gotta get it dried out. So there's the one half. Here's my crank and my rods and my camshaft. My puppy, he's doing okay. He's been kind of bored because I haven't been doing anything with him. He's been watching me do my job. So I'm going to show you over here. Here's the oil pump, pressure relief valve thing. Pulley, which was almost impossible to take off. Next, I think with the AH, I will be doing a harmonic bounce puller and not hammering on this thing like I was. I had to use a lot of these tools to get this off. I had to buy this. This is a 30 millimeter socket. This was for the crank pulley nut. I accomplished what I wanted to today. I got this thing apart, and now probably either tomorrow or Monday I need to take this over to the local car wash and get it as clean as possible so I can take it over to Blackline Racing and get it inspected. I'm also going to be doing the same thing with the AH case as soon as possible as well, so that so I can determine what needs to be done on that.